Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. So we are back with another fabric painting video, and today I am going to transform an ordinary blouse into a designer one. This is an ordinary red color blouse with golden border in its sleeves and waist, and I am making design on it using golden color only. I have not drawn any sketch, I am just painting some small flowers and leaves. Suppose you are attending some parties or get together and you don't want to wear a heavy gorgeous outfit, then you can wear this kind of blouse with simple solid color saree and you definitely look different from others. For more ideas like this, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe.